Trigonometry math solution. Analysis cosec x minus sin x. Cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. Cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x minus sin x. Sin x, then 1 sin x. 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x sin x. Cos x into cos x by sin x. Cos x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. RSS proved. I am analyzing further. Cos x minus sin x, 1 by sin x. Cos x is equal to 1 by sin x, 1 minus sin x. Sin x is equal to 1 sin x is equal to sin x. Sin x divided by sin x is 1. 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square is equal to cos x square x, sin x. Cos x by sin x. Cos x, cot x, as proof. All of you progressing minus civilizing being, please subscribe me. Watch this, realize this, and study profoundly and realize this. Please subscribe me. I am just adding further. Cos x minus sin x, 1 by cos x, sin x, minus sin x 1, ACM, sin x. Sin x divided by 1 into 1 by sin x, sin square x, 1 minus sin square cos square x, sin x, cos x by sin x, cot x, cos x, cot x. Equal to R itself. Proof. All way progressive minus civil was this, realize this, study profoundly and subscribe me. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways is the best airways in the world. Please buy ticket from Qatar Airways and enjoy a pleasant journey. If you anyone learn with me online tuition, please message me my Gmail account. Okay, thank you very much. All your progressing. I'm further analyzing. Cos x minus sin x. Cos x is 1 by sin x by 1. Sin 1 minus sin square x, cos square x, sin x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. By sin x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. Cos x, I just to all way progressive minus civilizing was this realization. Please subscribe me and study profoundly. Qatar is the best airways in the world. Please buy ticket from Qatar and enjoy pleasure journey. Please subscribe me. Thank you very much. Cos x by sin x. Cos x is always sin x by 1. Sin x. 1 minus sin square x, cos square x, sin x. Cos x by sin x, cos x, cot x. RSS proof. All your progressive minus